Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. A. To find when Stephen changes direction, solve v of t equals 0 for 0 less than 90, which occurs when sine of pi changes sign from positive to negative, confirming a change in direction. B. For acceleration at t equals 60, we compute a of 60 equals v prime of 60 approximately negative 0 point. And of 60 approximately negative 0.036 meters per second share the same negative sign, Stephen's speed is increasing, thus he is speeding up at t equals and t equals 80 is the magnitude of the displacement, calculated as the absolute value of the integral from 20 to 80 of v of t dt, approximately 23.3. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.